You think oatmeal is healthy? For most people over 50, it's actually a silent mistake. It's wrecking your energy, messing with your blood sugar, and you don't even know it. Let me show you the 4 oatmeal habits ruining your health. In this video, I'm breaking down the 4 biggest oatmeal mistakes people make, especially after age 50. I'll walk you through each step one by one. And trust me, step 3 is the most important and the one almost everyone gets wrong. So make sure you watch till the end. And hey, if you care about your health and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with someone who eats oatmeal every day. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Here's step 1. And honestly, most people mess this up without even realizing it. Mistake 1. Adding too much sugar. If your oatmeal tastes like dessert, you're doing it wrong. Many people believe oatmeal is the healthiest way to start the day. And yes, it can be. But only if you prepare it right. Here's where most people mess up, especially seniors trying to eat healthy. They add too much sugar. I'm talking about honey, brown sugar, flavored syrups, or even sweetened fruit like bananas and raisins. When you add all that sugar, you're not eating a healthy breakfast anymore. You're eating a sweet treat in disguise. And here's the scary part. That extra sugar spikes your blood sugar levels, giving you a quick burst of energy. But just an hour later, you crash. You feel tired, sluggish, maybe even dizzy. For seniors, this is especially dangerous. Your metabolism is slower, your insulin response is weaker, and that sugar crash can affect your energy, mood, and even lead to weight gain or diabetes over time. Mistake 2. Using instant oatmeal packets. If it's quick, cheap, and comes in a shiny packet, it's probably not good for you. A lot of people think those flavored instant oatmeal packets are a smart shortcut. You just tear the packet, add hot water, and boom, breakfast is ready in seconds. But here's the problem, especially for people over 50. Those packets are loaded with junk. They're filled with artificial flavors, preservatives, and hidden salt. And we're not talking just a pinch of salt. Some of these tiny packets have as much sodium as a bag of chips. For seniors, that's a big red flag, because too much sodium can raise your blood pressure, increase the risk of heart disease, and cause water retention or swelling. And that's not all. Those fake apple cinnamon or maple flavors? They're not real fruit or maple. They're lab-made chemicals that confuse your body and offer zero real nutrition. Mistake 3. Not adding protein or fiber. Just eating plain oats in water or milk? That's not enough, and your body knows it. A big mistake many people make, especially seniors, is eating oatmeal without adding any protein or fiber. Oats are healthy, yes, but on their own, they're mostly carbs, which means they digest quickly, don't keep you full, and can leave you hungry again in an hour or two. That leads to unnecessary snacking, energy crashes, and even weight gain. Your body needs balance, especially as you get older. You need protein to maintain muscle, and fiber to support digestion and keep blood sugar stable. Mistake 4. Eating too large portions. More oats doesn't mean more health, it just means more carbs. A lot of people think oatmeal is healthy, so I can eat as much as I want. That's a big mistake, especially for people over 50. Even though oats are healthy, they're still high in carbohydrates. If you eat too much, your body can't use all that energy right away, so it stores the extra carbs as fat. That leads to weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and long-term health issues. The correct portion for most adults is just 1/2 cup of dry oats. Once cooked, that becomes about 1 cup. And that's enough to keep you full when paired with protein and fiber. But many people are eating double or triple that amount without realizing it. Too much oatmeal can raise blood sugar, slow down metabolism, lead to belly fat, cause energy crashes later in the day. So, what's the right way to enjoy oatmeal without hurting your health? Here's your simple 4-part formula. Use whole oats, like rolled or steel cut. Add healthy fats and protein, nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt. Keep sugar low. Skip the flavored packets and syrups. Watch your portion. 1/2 cup dry oats is enough. That's it. It's a simple switch, but it makes a huge difference to your energy, digestion, and long-term health. If you're over 50, this kind of balanced breakfast will help you stay full, avoid blood sugar spikes, and feel great all morning. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share this video with someone who eats oatmeal every morning. Let's help them do it the right way.